What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in the woods. I'm getting ready. I have my little saw. We go cut down some of these bamboo so I can make a fence around my garden. So I hope you enjoy this video, and always remember to subscribe. Always remember to like, to leave a comment, and share with a friend. So without further ado, let me get some bamboo. We can see that this is going to be a hard task. Here we go. You go need some more. And guys, this spot is also one of my fishing spots. This bridge right here, this little swamp looking thing, this is filled with gar and mudfish. It is filled. I see a boat here. I guess, see that? Got a lot of movement over here. I guess somebody has been fishing here. There's a little boat here and all. Even a motor on it. So, somebody has been fishing. Well, we're not here to fish today because we need the water to warm up a little bit more. So, we're just gonna get some bamboo and get out of here. Let's get this one. Nice piece of bamboo. I could use this make a kite because it's so straight, but I don't like to make kites with green bamboo. So for that, I'm also gonna be getting a dry bamboo to make my kites. I know you guys excited about the kite season. It's coming. Stick around. Out of here. So, this is what I got so far. I hope this is enough. I don't know if for now, I'm gonna head on home, and I'll see you guys at the house when I'm putting the... Guys, welcome back again. We make it to the crib, and now we out here splitting the bamboo into pieces to go around my lovely little garden. That's it, peeps. Have to have them trained, you know. That's how you get a little help in the garden. Yeah. Get that big ass out here and do some work. Yeah, we here still cutting up some more bamboos. Almost finished now. About time to start laying them out around the garden. See, I have my help getting my garden ready because we're gonna drop some grains today. Oh yeah, we go plant some grains today. What we planting today, babe?
Carrot.
Some carrots. What else?
Onion.
Onions.
Yes.
You planting onions?
Yes.
Not planting onion. Onion can't stay. I'll be planting carrots. I'll be planting some callaloo.
Beetroot.
For those who don't know what callaloo is,
Beetroot.
not interested,
You drink the juice.
and not interested in growing it. My garden is not for the market, it is for my kitchen. So nothing will be sold. Alright, peeps, we go start lining them out right now. Right now. Let's make it still. No. Get out there. Yes, guys. So as you can see the progress, we getting somewhere. Wifey, how you doing over there?
Good.
Yeah, give me something. Give me something. This is the tie-in. So you tie it like this. So, my phone died on me earlier, so I had to pause. But this is where we at so far. And I think I'm gonna break for today. Yeah, because it looks like it's gonna rain, and I got a few stuff to do on the road. So, yes. Let me know what you think. How is it looking so far? Did you guys like the idea? Will you try it? I mean, it's just a little fence just to keep out any little dogs. We have some dogs that are loose, and I don't want them scratching out my grains when I put them in the soil. Neither do I want them to kill my plants when they start growing. So yeah, this is how you make a bamboo fence around your garden. I wanted to start planting today, but like I said, I got some stuff to do on the road, so I'm gonna take care of that, and hopefully I'll have a video again when I'm actually planting. So thank you guys for watching again. Remember to subscribe to your boy's channel, Hunting and Fishing Cardo's Way, with a little bit of do-it-yourself. So I'll see you guys on my next video. And once again, thank you guys for watching.